Hey everybody, Dan Marshall here at Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln, Nebraska with another Grand Design product. This is the first one of these we've had on the lot. This is the Grand Design Influence 3804 DS. I'm calling that dual suite. It's a 2-bedroom unit inside. There's washer and dryer hookups, large kitchen, large master. On the outside, we have space to put a generator. It is capable of holding up to like a 6,500 watt generator. That would be used for any dry camping, power up the unit. This unit does have 3 air conditioners, so if you're going to be off grid, a generator is a great source of power to run everything. You have electronic stability. There's a 6-point leveling jack on it, so this does have the mid jacks, and it's controlled by a touchscreen with auto leveling features to it, so you can unhook easily and reattach to your truck easily as you pull in and out of your campsite. If you'd like, I'll show you a little bit on the inside as well. The inside of this unit features a really nice kitchen setup, horseshoe kind of shape, but everything is kind of out of your way, so as you're cooking and doing things, you don't have people walking by, any trouble with hot pans or anything coming off the Furrion stove. High output 3-burner, nice size oven, also a Furrion, more of a residential size microwave here, along with the refrigerator and freezer combo that's on this one. Really nice big pantry with pull-out drawers. These are all slow close drawers. Really nice feature. More of a luxury item here. Dinette table, seating for 4. Nice sectional and living room setup here. You have room to put a sound bar in place, fireplace, large TV, sectional with some reclining features to it. Up top, if we go up high, there is a pretty large loft to sleep some extra people if you need to. All total, this thing is going to have room to sleep a minimum of 6, maybe even up to 8, depending on how you position them. I'll first show you this back room. You have a large wardrobe here and a secondary closet, and in this closet is where you're going to find your washer dryer hookups. This does feature a queen bed in this position. You can probably get room for a king bed to fit in here if you need it. And then a really nice large rear shower. So this is a 2-bathroom unit along with 2 full bedrooms. If you're a taller guy and go 6'4", 6'5", and need room for a good size shower, you got it in this one. Moving back out through the living room area, we'll move through the hallway into the master bedroom section. Little coat closet here, by the way. In the master bedroom and bathroom, it's a dual entry bathroom setup. And it has a nice large shower in here as well. Good spacing. The second drawer there is kind of cool. It's got a hair dryer access. There's a place to put a hair dryer, an extra plug-in in there. So if you happen to have a wife that needs to get ready for an event, she's got plenty of juice up there to do the curlers and the hair drying. And then your king size bed, along with his and hers wardrobe set up in here, and 4 drawers below, little storage. And one of the features I really like is the front window. Really does a good job of letting in some natural light, and it's just a really nice feature to kind of be able to see out and see what's going on in your campsite. But otherwise, please come on in, take a look at this, give us a call. My name again is Dan. I can be reached any time of the day. Thanks for showing. Bye.